Today's Mr. Kit's 30th birthday. Come with me to do some last-minute shopping. Forgot my phone. So Mr. Kit and I have been working on our BOBA tea brand for almost a year. This is the final stage. Can't believe it's snowing in March. Don't have so much time to celebrate it big, but I still want to make a special birthday cake for him. Let's finish shopping first, then I will tell you more about our BOBA kit. Have you ever seen those honey falling birthday cakes? I want to make one like that. But like most married couples, we put all of our money together, so I think it's kind of boring to give him some of his own money. That's why I decided to use lottery tickets instead. From a mathematical standpoint, the chance of winning the lottery jackpot is even smaller than being struck by lightning. I bought them only for Mr. His birthday entertainment. Do not mimic this behavior if you are under 100 years old. It was actually my very first time of buying lottery tickets. I was so nervous and drove back home as fast as possible after that. Without speeding, of course. Back home. We have to hurry up. His friends are almost here. I want to open the door until I finish making this cake. I baked these fluffy sponge cakes yesterday. Sponge cake is easier to make and less likely to crack than chiffon cake. I will make a more detailed tutorial video of that within this week. I used whipped cream for the filling, but I'm so suck at to smooth out the whipped cream on the cake, so I decided to use fondant to cover the whole cake. And to be honest, it's easier than I thought. If you have a kindergarten degree and you know how to play Play-Doh, you should be able to make it. Not sure if you can tell, I was trying to make the cake look like a cup of matcha latte, which is Mr. His favorite drink in our coming soon BOBA kit. The brand name is She Boba, which is the overlapping of our last names. This is the very first product that the two of us started together from scratch. Last year at this time, we found out that most of our followers enjoyed BOBA tea just like we did. So why don't we use my favorite milk tea and boba recipe to make a home BOBA tea kit to share with all of you? But the fact is, I have oversimplified things. I thought I just need to tell the factories my recipes and have them produce it for us. But the reality is always much more complicated. We have encountered all kinds of difficulties and learned so many lessons. From the food factories to 3PL companies. From the boba ingredients to packaging materials. There are so many problems to be solved every single day. We have been doubted, ignored, and even tricked for many times. But at the same time, we were lucky enough to meet so many kind and passionate people. With all these people's support, She Boba should be able to go live by the end of next month. Hopefully, haha. There are so many surprises in this boba tea box. We are very confident that all of you are going to love it. I guess Mr. His birthday wish this year is for all of you to love She Boba. No matter you are 3 years old or 8 years old. You are going to fall in love with She Boba at first sight, always first sip. It's not only delicious, but also the cutest boba kit on the market. Please stay tuned for its pre-sale. Before we review Mr. His lottery tickets, I heard that if you have bad luck on your birthday, you will be lucky for the rest of the whole year. So let's say congratulations to Mr.
$20.
I spent 100.
What? Yeah, man. I counted the
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind.